Hello everybody, welcome to the Sleep Inn in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and begin this tour. We are room 203. And it's one of those touch unlocks with these keys, so... Okay. So we're inside now. Let's turn on the light over here so you guys can see a little bit better. So you can see here, the door of course has the deadlock. However, I don't even know what this is. I mean, I can't figure out how to work this or what it is, but... Wait a second. Oh! I think this is a doorstop. Hang on, I'll test it. Yeah, it's a door stopper. No, it does nothing to stop the door or whatever. Alright, I don't even know what that thing is, but you got your fire evacuation plan right here. I mean, of course, we're not going to look at this too much because, you know, you don't have to. You can read that on your own time. We'll just turn one light on in here. This is the bathroom. You can see this one's in the front of the room rather than the back. It's a full bath here rather than a half at the EconoLodge. You can see here you got the sink with all your various toiletries. Comes with a tissue box, a hair dryer made by Sunbeam Hospitality. I didn't have to specify that. They provide you with toiletries, you know, they makeup remover wipes and towel, and of course, the mirror. The toilet's right here with a bunch of towels for the shower here. Of course, this shower is a lot better than the Econo one. I mean, that was an Econo shower. This was not, although the pressure wasn't the greatest, it's good. It's good enough. Toilet paper there. Then you got a bunch of drawers that I am having trouble opening. Maybe they're just there for show. I don't know. I can't open it. Even how hard I pull. So yeah, that's the bathroom. You got storage shelves here, like you can put your bag up there. Another drawer here. Now you can actually open this one. This cabinet has the ironing board in it and the iron. And hangers here along this metal rod. And another mirror. Hi guys. So you got two queen beds here. Oh, there's Gabe. Laying in that one. I took this one right here. Hang on one second. So as I was saying, you see, we're going to continue here to the TV table. You can see, look, we have Krispy Kreme. Here's how the donuts have fared over a day. We have 7 left. I'm probably going to eat this one and then one of these. Not the strawberry one. And my hat, toss that over there. I won't be needing that. And here, you know, you got a lamp as well as a trash can. The TV, really you have the coffee table here. The TV is off right now. We have nothing on. It will be on later. And this tells you about, you know, COVID-19, you know, mitigations. You got coffee and an ice bucket. There's nothing in the ice bucket. Why? Yeah, you can get coffee. You can make your own. You can make the coffee, but I'm pretty sure you have to. You have to pay for it, or is it free?
I'm pretty sure you have to pay for it.
That's what I'd think. And it comes with a couple of power outlets. You can see. I'm pretty sure that one of them has the TV, and the other one is the coffee. You can see. You got a large chair over here with a lamp. I don't know if I'd have this lamp on while sitting here. And you can see here, you got the blinds. I'm going to open them just for the tour, but then I'm going to close them back up. You can see. Yeah, it's a little bit bright, I can tell you that. And the shoe came off. You can see here, it's a nice view out here of a Super 8. And you can see there's the front. There's the sign Sleep Inn and MainStay Suites, both by Choice Hotels. I don't know what this crane is for. Alright. Close that back up. And put this shoe back up here. Those are just there to dry. And you got these paintings above the beds for no reason. And over here, you got a thermostat. It's set to 66 degrees. I wonder if I should do it like the Krusty Krab and set it to 62. Nah, I'm not going to do that to him. And then the smoke alarm. This looks like a very complicated smoke alarm. Might also be a heat detector as well. Sprinkle up there. And the thing over here, I always forget to cover this. The middle table, as you know, you got the phone, lamp with outlets, 2 universal. And you can turn them on individually or have them both off. In this case, I'll leave one on. I'll leave mine on. And the alarm clock has 2 universal, 2 USB. And this remote should be over there, but I have it over here for convenience reasons. And you got your shelf with a couple of signs reminding you of a few things. And another storage shelf for a bag. This is Gabe's, not mine. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of space to store stuff. Like, you can store stuff there, in the middle, which we don't really do, and over here. This is where I put all my stuff. So yeah, that's about it for sleep in room number 203. Anyways, that's going to do it for the second hotel room tour of the trip. Most likely there might be another one in potentially St. Louis. I don't know. But yeah. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.